Back again on the channel with another video, and today we're gonna do an unboxing to probably one of the cheapest member of G8 family, Moto G8 Power Lite. We're gonna do an unboxing, we're gonna go through the specifications, and we're gonna have a look on the phone. Okay, got a box with a massive 5000 battery. This phone should last quite a lot. I am using at the moment Realme 6i, which I'm impressed with that battery, which is keeping me more than 12 hours on screen constantly. Wow, which is amazing. So on this one we're gonna have 4 GB of RAM and 64 of storage, and it's coming with 16 megapixel triple camera system, and it's coming on this Arctic blue version. If you can see, the date was 7th of April, exactly 1 month ago, and available storage at this moment should be around 48 GB. So also this is a dual SIM, and should have also support for a micro SD card. Let's open the box, which is the sealed at the moment. Was easy. Okay, let's see what do we have inside. Okay, so this is the phone. Alright, nice color also. Arctic blue, and also it's coming in a royal blue, and it's already with a case around the phone. See what else we got into the box. Papers. Everybody loves papers. Yeah, why not? And we got the SIM pin tray, so you can open that tray for your smartphone. Paper, like I said. We got an UK charger, and actually you can charge your smartphone only at 10 watts. If you can see here, 10 watts only, which probably is gonna take a while to charge that 5000 mAh battery. And also the charger, it's using this cable, which is actually a micro USB cable, so that's bad. Would be nice to have at least 15 watts charging support, but what can we do? Only 10 watts. Okay, so we got a silicone case, transparent case. Yeah, that's good. You don't have to buy another one. And we got this sticker on the front. We're gonna peel this off in a minute. Let's see the back, which looks really good. I like it. Looks like a matte finish, but probably it's not. Yeah, looks alright. Yeah, this is also a plastic bag. We got the fingerprint sensor right here, so it's not on the screen, and we got the camera setup, and we got the speaker grill right here. Would be interesting to find out how it's working. On the bottom we got that micro USB support, and on the top we got the jack audio. Interesting. And we got the SIM tray on the left side, and just let's have a look. Come on. Okay, let's have a look. So we got dual SIM, and we can put also a micro SD. That's really good. So we got a proper dual SIM right here, and you can expand your storage with a micro SD. Okay, let's put this aside. And on the right side we got the volume buttons and the power button right here. Also, this is a plastic bag, plastic frame, and glass on the front. That's good, at least. Okay, let's peel this off. We got also a weight of 200 grams for this smartphone, and the thickness it's 9.2 millimeters, and it's also splash resistant. We got an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen with 6.5 inch and 82.2% screen to body ratio, and also the screen it's an HD screen only with 269 ppi density. Okay, let's start. Let's go back a bit. US only. Let's look for, where is it? Okay, let's leave on US, start, skip at the moment, continue, just a second or maybe two. Okay, next again, next. I don't like to send me all of this. Next, let's do the fingerprint. And screen locks options, pattern, I like to do the pattern, more easy one. Try again, confirm. And now let's do the fingerprint. It's not very responsive. Also, I just need to keep my finger on the scanner. It's taking a while. Yeah, it's not that fast. Okay, let's go next. And accept and continue. I don't like all of this. Next again. And yeah, we got Hello Moto again. It's looking really good. We got teardrop notch. Not too many, quite clean, Android 9. And let's go on the settings. See the menu? Yeah, looks really good, fresh, clean. Okay, let's go on. See average 1.7 gigabytes of 3.9. System gestures. So you can choose gestures, swipe, fingerprint, 4 notifications. I like this, that's good. Quick capture, lift to check phone, prevent ringing, fast flashlight. That's really good. Okay, about the phone. Let's go on about the phone. And we got the Moto G8 Power Lite, IP address, dual SIM, and nothing to show. System updates. We don't have the network at the moment. Reset options, backup, language. Also, this is a global version, so you got all the languages. Okay, let's check the K menu. Let's have a look. So we got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection, do not disturb, flashlight, auto rotate, and let's see what more. Location, hotspot, and invert colors, night light, data saver, storage, grayscale, system update, and feedback. Also, we do not have NFC on this device, so you cannot make any payments. Also, the phone is coming with Android 9, and we got a MediaTek Helio P35 on 12 nanometers. And if you're asking if you can play games on this smartphone, well, I'm just gonna say that Helio P35 isn't really a gaming chipset. Helio P35 is basically overclocked version of Helio P22. So Helio P35 can be compared to the Snapdragon 630. Both will perform equally in CPU intensive tasks, and the Snapdragon 630 will take a lead in the GPU intensive task also. So don't expect to play all the games in I don't know, HD, Ultra HD, but probably we're gonna test that in a separate video when we're gonna do a game test for this smartphone. Let's move a bit on the camera and let's have a look. Okay, this is the main menu. We got HDR automatic, settings. Let's have a look. Photo size 16 megapixel, GPS location, capture sound, quick capture, volume key. Okay, this is for macro if you want to take very close pictures. I don't have anything at the moment. Let's have a look. Focus. Okay, stable. This is the picture quality, 0. Alright, photo. Let's have a look. Looks alright. This is video. Quite basic. Nothing surprising at this moment. And let's have a look on the back, on the cameras. So this smartphone is coming with a triple camera. We got a 16 megapixel primary camera. We got that 2 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel deep camera. Also we got an LED flash right here, and we can record only on let's type Fingerprint, and we can record only on full HD. Let's go on the settings on video, and let's just have a look. Video size only full HD at this moment, so don't expect ultra HD 4K videos. So on the front we got an 8 megapixel wide camera, and the same we can record video with full HD, which is quite good. Also the phone is coming with Wi-Fi BGN, so you can change between these channels. We got Wi-Fi direct, and you can make a hotspot through this smartphone. The Bluetooth version is 4.2. Also the phone is coming with an FM radio, but you need to plug your headphones, which is also good if you want to listen music for free. And the USB on the bottom, it's an micro USB 2.0. Now the battery, like I said, it's huge, 5000 milliampere. Let's go on the battery. Okay, show all the apps: standby, intelligent power saving, battery saving, adaptive battery, battery percentage. I like that. And it's 5000 milliampere battery, charging only on 10 watts, which probably is gonna take a lot. So in the following days I'm thinking of making a video with Moto G8 Power Lite, Realme 6i Moto G8 Power in a charging test, because all of this smartphone coming with 5000 milliampere battery, and will be interesting to see in how many hours and minutes we can charge all these three devices. So keep close to the channels, because also I'm gonna do more videos with all these phones, comparison, speed test, gaming test, and so on. Okay, the price for this device, it's £150, so you can find it in the UK shops, or depends where you are. So this is a Moto G8 Power Lite, the cheapest from this G8 family. And we're gonna do more videos with this smartphone in the following days, so keep close to the channel, give it a like to this video, share, subscribe if you want, and see you soon with another interesting one.